Oh, that's...
Have a look next week, I think.
Yeah, that's super nice.
It's first floor as well.
Yeah.
No stairs or anything.
King.
Yeah.
Daddy Cam!
Hey Pontus.
Team Sweden.
Team Sweden.
Team Sweden mountain bike. Out rolling.
What are we doing? Team Sweden, testing. Nah, first day or second day on the new bikes. Just getting a feel for the downhill rig again. Trying out some new parts.
Greg Minar's suspension setup. And then you will go full gas.
Del Puño!
That's what I'm doing every year. No wasting time on testing days. Just go to YouTube and Greg Minar and hear some discussions with Jordy, and then you're fully set up.
Chief Williams.
Yeah. This one is even better than the one we did. What do you say, Ollie?
Ja, det känns bra. Ja.
Shredder?
Ja, det är lite kallt.
Kallt i Sverige?
Ja, det blåser lite. Tändning
tillfälle av kaffe! Fy fan, Blom!
Vändekissa. First day on the bike's done. Camera's going flat, so didn't get many clips of it. This is our 2020 race bike. I'm just going to do a bit of a bike fit and show you all the parts. First up, Santa Cruz V10. We've gone for an extra large this year, and then we've got a works components reach adjuster headset. So I've got mine backwards, and then Benny's got his forwards. And then of course we've got Fox suspension. For cockpit we've got Davey bar and stem. Benny and I run the Brendog bin. And we've got ODI half waff. Half waff. This year we're running full TRP, so we've got TRP brakes and drivetrain. New for this year, we've got Santa Cruz wheels, Santa Cruz carbon rim on a Chris King hub, race face carbon cranks, SDG saddle, and thanks to Robin Walner for the temporary seat post. Enduro Robin. About it. Maxxis Asseguide tyres, 2.5, downhill casing, and last but not least, Crank Brothers pedals. Nice.